Normally during the crab season is from mid-August to mid-February. That is when we have the southwest monsoon blowing right through to middle of November. Then we have the northeast monsoon coming in. But now the southwest monsoon only blows from October to November. Some maybe it will last only for 3 weeks or 4 weeks. Formerly it lasts for 2.5 months. Now we have the northeast monsoon coming in from mid-November right up to middle of January. It also becomes shorter. And now the weather is, when the wind blows, it becomes heavier, and the rain becomes greater also. That's what I noticed so far from my experience in this crab industry. Crab season starts with the southwest monsoon because the crabs comes along with the wind and the tide from the southwest, from South China Sea, right up to our bay, to Bangi Island, Palambangan Island, to Malawali. So during this time when the monsoon blows, the crab comes along. But since the season is, the monsoon period is very short now, the crab doesn't reach the places that they are supposed to be. That is why during these last few years, the catch is getting less and less due to the irregular blowing of the monsoons. Okay, due to the drop of volume, I have lost the contract to supply crabs through a US company, which also has closed down because there is insufficient crab for processing.